One of the other questions I keep being asked is what kind of jack would I recommend for a road trip? And this is the one that I currently use for road trips, and it's the perfect companion for when potentially you're stuck and you need to be able to raise the car to be able to access one of the wheels. Let me walk you through what you get. So first of all, you get a nice small, most importantly low entry jack. You get a turn handle here, and you get a ratchet to be able to put the jack up. Let me show you it in action. One of the most important elements, these fit easily under a GT3, no problem with clearance. Once in place, we just use the handle a couple of times to get it started. Then we can use the ratchet to get things going a little bit easier. That is only partially extended, and there's plenty of room to be able to remove a wheel. Now hopefully it goes without saying, these are only emergency use only jacks. I would not recommend working under a car with such a jack, but for emergency use on flat level ground, this is a really good option. As you can see, a few ratchet turns and this can now be slid away from the car and packed away. German engineering at its best. So as you can hopefully see, this packs away nice and simply, and we have a small breaker bar in there as well, for use generally with other wheels, but you get the idea. The tool packs away nice and neatly and can be easily stored in your frunk. As you can see, something like this stores away very easily, leaving you with almost a full frunk. The perfect road trip emergency jack. Link in the description. So when it comes to options for fixing a tyre potentially on the roadside when you're on a road trip, there are several options. Something like this works very well and is in a super easy, small, convenient pocket size pouch. Comes with tools such as this, which is the reamer for making the hole larger. You then have a tool to clean the hole, and then the final tool which enables you to push the sealing mushroom plug. These are incredibly effective at fixing a nail or screw that you have in your tyre that's giving you a puncture. The whole kit fits perfectly in what can be best described as a pencil case type holder. Nice and easy and small to carry around. Other options for very quick tyre repairs are these, which effectively are tyre repair screws included with a very small screwdriver. So you pull out the nail or the screw that's in your tyre and you effectively screw one of these rubber plugs back into the tyre to allow you to go onwards in your journey. Once again, a very super small companion that can be easily put in your car on a road trip.